Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix the issue when you cannot follow people on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Then tap the 3 stacked bars in the top right corner and head into Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Cache and Mobile, then tap on Free Up Space. At the top, you'll see the Cache option. Tap Clear to reset it. Next, completely close TikTok. Swipe up and remove it from your recent apps. Reopen TikTok and check if the issue is resolved. If you still cannot follow anyone, it might be due to following too many accounts in a short time. In that case, wait around 24 hours. If the issue persists, go to Report a Problem in Settings. Search for Cannot Follow People, select Unable to Follow User, and follow the instructions shown. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.